This is the daily video of Nifty and Bank Nifty. In this video, I will discuss about my predictions, whatever the predictions I gave on Friday for this day trading, that I will discuss with you, and I will discuss you the exact entry and exits points so that you can make your trading better. Hi, this is your host Yogesh Vats from channel Trade and Grow. You can see here, this is the front page of the channel where this channel provides the daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to know the future of next day, that is available on the community tab. For this facility, you will have to join the membership from this join button, and if you want to get the detail of membership, that is available on this tab. Now I show you the predictions which I made on Friday for the members. This is the community tab where I have posted my analysis. Here you will get all the predictions which I made for Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the chart of the Bank Nifty. If you see, this chart gives the information of 4422. One day ago I posted it. If you see the levels, the same levels you will find on your chart where when I will discuss about the movement of today's entry and exit. These are the levels which I marked on the chart. Let us discuss it on the chart, because on chart you will get the concrete information of this index. Now this is the first candle of the day. If you see this candle opened at the halt number 1. This is the hammer candle. The very first candle shows that the entry of buyers. As you have seen, I have put arrow on this halt number 4. It means wherever I put my arrows, that shows that this point is the last point of resistance or support depending upon the movement of the market. Here this arrow shows that market will move upside if the price crosses this level, and this information is with you when the market opened on the very first candle, and the you can see this is the hammer candle, this is the entry of bulls, and this entry of bulls confirmed by this candle. It means this is your entry point. Whenever this candle starts making, this is your entry point, and when this candle is made doji candle, this shows that whatever the momentum is going on, that is exhausted by this candle. Whenever this candle is formed, you have to exit from your position at this point. This is your first entry, because this entry is having 2-3 logics. You have the confidence of my marking which I have given. Where did I put this green arrow? I put this green arrow on the halt number 4. It means this gives you the clear information that you should have the confidence to go upside. And second hammer candle confirms it, the entry of buyers, and that bullish candle is made at this point. It also confirms this pattern is going to work. So when you got three confirmation of entry towards upside, and it is the point where you had to enter your position. This is the first entry. Let us talk about the second entry. You have to understand the precision of marking every day. May I ask you, why did market took support of halt number 1? To open above halt number 1 at this position, but it could not. It opened exactly at the halt number 1 and took support. These marking are so accurate marking that in last 2 years, even a single day, you will not find the marking got failed. That is all record in form of all videos on the YouTube channel. You can open any video, you will get the same perfection of these marking. That is why I tell everybody that whenever you these marking along with my trade idea, what was the trade idea I posted for this day, just see the trade idea also, where you would be able to understand what I said in the trade idea. This is the trade idea of Bank Nifty posted 1 day ago, and you can see the point number 2. What I wrote in this case, halt 4 should be taken out on the 50-minute chart to upside. It means I have given the condition for the halt number 4 that it should be taken out on the 15-minute chart to upside, then you will see more buying. This is already mentioned here. Right now, when I mentioned in the trading idea regarding the halt 4 taken out condition on the 15-minute chart, it means you have the further information that if the price takes out on the 15-minute chart, then you can take more position to the upside. Let me convert this chart to the 15-minute so that you can understand what is the condition and what you have to see. If you see, this momentum is going on. It is a clear momentum. It is going on. It means the taken out condition, you cannot find the taken out condition at this point. Where would you find the taken out condition? Taken out condition is price crosses this level, comes for testing and takes out this point, then it becomes the clear taken out position. But if you see the price action of today's, you will find that the price did not fulfill the taken out condition to upside, and where it got ended, see, it got ended, it got finished at this point. It could not fulfill the 15-minute taken out condition to upside. That is why I gave this condition, and the entry which you took today on the very first candle of the 15-minute, that is your first entry. Now let us discuss about the second entry of the day. This is your second entry of the day. We will use here the what's 5-minute intraday techniques. This is a temporary resistance. Whenever the price comes to this level at 27 EMA, it created a temporary support point. Right, this is the temporary support point. This is the first testing, this is the second testing, and this is the third testing. As per what's 5-minute intraday techniques, if you are new to this channel and you are watching it first time, then I will suggest you to please read about the what's 5-minute intraday techniques that I formed with my experience to ease the trading of struggling traders. The suggested video playlist I will post at the end of this video. You will ultimate techniques videos. These videos will show you how to use the what's 5-minute intraday techniques. So this is the third testing. After third testing, you will get your trade of upside. You will have to find your setup towards upside. Where will you get your setup? If you see, this is the point of resistance. When the price breached this resistance from this candle, it means you are ready to get your trade towards upside. But after seeing this, you cannot enter it. Why? Because here the setup is not complete. It may possible that price would come to downside from this point. So you need some confirmation of this resistance. Whenever the price moved upside from this resistance, it took support of this resistance and made it support. It means it applied the rule of change of polarity rule. It applied here. When you saw that price is taking support at this level, it means you need to find your entry towards upside. Right? If you see the price action here, you will find that here is again the price testing the levels. How? Just see, this is first testing level of resistance. This is the second testing level of resistance. It means after testing 2 times, the price should move to downside. But the price could not breach this level and it moved to upside by crossing this candle. It means this particular point, this particular formation of the price gives you the information that this level, which is tested by 2 times, should give the trade to downside, but it could not, and the price moved to upside. This is a clear indication that this condition got invalidated by the price. So where is your second entry of the day? Second entry of the day is at this level. Right? When the price was going to upside, you had to enter at this level. Where is your profit booking point? The profit booking point is the high of this day. That is your profit booking point. Where is the stop loss for this entry? Your stop loss for this entry is this. Because you entered at the second candle after the breaching candle, it means this is your stop loss point. Here you would enter, and at this point you would take your profit. So if you see the price action here, the price is not reaching to that level. The price got stuck here. You see the price action here, the price is not moving to upside. It means it is a clear indication that price is not going to touch this level. So you need not to wait to achieve this level. You have to book your profit at this stage anytime. This is your profit and this is your very small stop loss. This way you got two entries. As you know, what's 5-minute intraday techniques gives you minimum 1 entry a day or maximum 2 to 3 entries. So this day we got 2 entries. Now let us discuss about the Nifty. What I showed, what I predicted in Nifty, so that you can understand the price action on that also and would be able to understand your entry points. This is the posting of Nifty levels. Here you can see I posted it 1 day ago. Now see the levels carefully. I made only 1, 2 or 3 levels. Halt 4. Today price action started from the halt number 4. Let us see on the ground what happened on the halt number 4 and how you had to take your positions. See here, this is a halt number 4 which gives you the clear indication of upside bias. But before that, I show you my trade idea, because that will also help you how to take your trade on this day. Let us discuss the condition given on the halt number 4. I gave the condition for the halt number 4. If the price takes out it on the 30-minute chart time frame, then you will see more upside movement. Now let us see this thing on the chart so that you can understand, did price move after this condition or did the condition fulfill in the price movement. First I'll discuss about the entry. Where is your entry? Your entry, you can check, this is the first candle which took support of this candle. After that, every candle is made just above the closing of that candle. That gives you the clear indication that the price is in the momentum. It means whenever the second candle was made, that candle was made above this high of previous candle. It clearly gives you the information that the bias is towards upside and the momentum is really fast. So you had to enter at this point at first position, and this would be your stop loss point. Whenever this stage comes, you can see here, this is the stage where which gives you the clear indication that you have to book your profit at this point, because after that what is happening, this is the small candles which gives you the information that the momentum which started from this point has got exhausted. So it is the time to book your profit. Your entry was at this level and this was your stop loss point, so you will book your profit at this level, right? So this was your first entry, and let us discuss about the taken out condition which I have given for this index. Let me convert it on the 30-minute chart, because I gave this condition on the 30-minute chart. Let us see the price action on this time frame. You can see this is the 30-minute price action. If you see this price action properly, you would be able to understand that the taken out condition made the high. After that it came to downside to test it level, and when this condition would be fulfilled, when this high would be taken out, it means the price should move to upside like this. But here the price stalled at this point. It means this condition could not fulfill, right? So it means you cannot go long on this this day till this condition gets fulfilled. But where is your second entry? Let us apply the what's 5-minute entry technique, because first entry you applied at this point, when you the this green sign here, that gives you the confidence to go upside, because this is put exactly at the halt number 4. Now let us discuss about the second entry of the day. If you see, this is the temporary resistance made by the price, and now see here, this is a temporary support made by the price. Now the price remained tested it first time, then the price tested this point second time, right? Now this is a temporary support, this is a first testing, and after that if you see, the price tested it second time here, right? Now when the price tested second time, the candle was made towards downside, right? Now where is your entry point? Because the price has already been tested two times at this point of time, so you will enter at this point keeping the stop loss of this level. So it is the very small level, and your reward would be at this point. Why at this point? Because if you see the candle formation, this is the tweezer bottom. The tweezer bottom is made by the price, and when you entered at this point, when you saw the tweezer bottom is made, it means you have to book your profit, right? So this was your second entry of the day. If you really want to know what is going to happen next day, you can watch my community tab analysis, and you can get every information that what is going to happen, and with complete trade idea and marking. I will meet you tomorrow. Till then, be safe and goodbye.